Huh? Hold on.
Need a hand?
Yes, my chain seems to have gotten stuck
Okay, here.
in
let me
this
get it.
very low gear.
Yeah, I gotta say, dude, I admire you riding more
Oh.
than anybody I have ever seen.
Thank you, thank you.
Well, thank you. It's inspirational.
There we go. Not quite. Hold on. Let's see here.
You want it on a certain one?
Okay, well, I'll have to adjust later. And then if we can lift it up. Okay, wow. Okay. Let's put this back. And then, let's see here. We need to shift this thing. I've got electronic shifting on here.
Okay.
We're gonna do, it is, okay, so we want 1, 2, 3. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. And then let's lift it back again. Okay, wrong one. Hold on, let's try.
This one?
Yeah, 1,
2.
stop. Okay,
2.
okay, I don't know why it's not shifting. Hold on.
Let me try 3. Oh, go ahead.
Huh. I think it's dead. Huh. Well, isn't that just fabulous? Alright, so we'll have to shift it manually, I guess. We're gonna put it on 1, 2, 3. Let's see if we can do it like this. Let's see here.
Well, where do you, I can get it. Trying to get up to 4.
1, 2, 3. Actually, this is perfect. That's good. Question is, well, see, why is it shifting down? See that? Okay, stop. And then if I try this again, let's see here.
Well, unless your shifter is shifted up, it's going to keep going back.
It's what?
Unless this shifter is shifted, see, it's got to be moved in the alignment with that. See, it's over here on this side.
Okay,
It's going to keep going. It's gonna
yeah.
keep,
So can we press? Let's see what happens. Let's press the button again. And the other one?
is it moving when I push the button?
No.
It doesn't look like it.
So it's just gonna look. Huh. I don't know what to say. Well, that is very odd.
Yeah, it moved.
Oh, it did?
Oh, yeah. You keep turning your wheels here. No, it's not moving it.
Yeah, it's not going. And there's no way I can bike in that in the lowest gear. Okay then. I'll just have to bike back. Well, fortunately the max is right there, so